Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Today's Monday, October 24, and I'll bring you another stock market live with a bull trade investor, guys. Today we're gonna review the pre-market. We're gonna check out some news. We're gonna look at the stocks, see how the portfolios and everything is doing this week. We're gonna see if we have anything interesting happening during the week, any earning calls or any news. And talking about news, I already have some major news for you guys. So the Ukraine right now, remember, in UK we have no prime minister. The previous prime minister just resigned until a new prime minister takes over. There was a lot of debate on who was going to take over again, who's going to be the next prime minister. And for what we see now, the UK bonds rally after Boris Johnson dropped out of the leadership race, meaning that he's not going to run or he's not going to be the prime minister anymore. So what we're looking at right now is that the other guy that might be the new prime minister, Rishi Sunak, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. He's looking like he's going to be the next prime minister of UK. Hopefully, he lasts a long time and he can manage and control what's going on out there with the market. On the other hand, over here in America, we have the big banks. They are recession proof, of course. That's what they're saying. So, and they also say that recession is coming and the big banks can handle it. Not the regular American. Not the people that live under $50,000. It's very hard, guys. But let's see. Let's keep looking at some other news. Today we have the stock market is not looking good today, guys. Getting a little bit of red. But remember, we just had a rally a couple of days ago. We were rallying. Everything moved up by like 700-800 points. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones to the Nasdaq. They rallied by 2-3% each. Let's see this. We're still watching for some more news, guys. Stocks future is higher of big earnings. We got any earnings coming up? Let's go to Bloomberg. Like using Bloomberg. I'm more used to using Bloomberg, guys. This is more comfortable. We want to know anything that is happening with the stock market. Yeah, we're seeing that China is having a little bit of trouble with the market too. Let's see what they're saying over here. Let's look it up. U.S. futures waver as China's rule sours sentiments market wrap. Treasury yields deep, dollar gains, European stocks advance, British gilts rally as Sunak heads leadership race, oil drops. Yes, we were just reading right now, guys, that since we're having a new prime minister right now taking over UK, the bonds and the stock have capitulated. Pivot, if we can say that. We are not pivoting over here with the Feds. We're expecting that Jerome Powell, Mr. Powell, the man of the hour, is going to raise rates by 0.75%. So a 0.75%, guys. Still got some of the stocks. I'm looking at Tesla today. Tesla's looking good to buy right now, guys. This is a long-term play, guys. See, by the month we're down 30%. So that'll be a good 30% you will get. By the 3 months we're down see, 20% plus an 11% gain. We're talking about like 35% on your money. Couple of stocks, whatever you do, whatever you buy, it'll be pretty good, guys. We have Tesla here. Let's look at Tesla right now. See, 52 weeks high, it was $414. So we're talking about, you know, you can make up to 50% gains. It will take a while, guys. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm telling you. Like, I'm just doing my own research and looking at the stocks, looking at how they move, looking for news, anything that might benefit or, you know, hurt the stock. But Tesla in overall, with the earnings, they are pretty solid right now. You know, they might not made all the numbers they say they were gonna do, but at the same time, they have like $22 billion cash. We have money to create, fix, you know, deploy money if anything is wrong. Another Gigafactory. Things are okay. Everything is down right now. We can't say that Tesla or any stock is, you know, recession proof. So that's that, guys. Verizon just, I think, came with the earnings, right? Let me check. They beat earnings for third quarter. I don't know why they were let me see. They went down. I guess something bad with the earnings. I gotta look into it. I'll make a video later breaking down what's going on with Verizon. So look, 52 weeks high, it was $55.51. And let's see, 52 weeks low, it was $34.55. So it's basically right around there, right around the buying, at least for me. You know, I definitely want to get some Verizon. Like I said, I'm gonna look into it a little bit more. I'm gonna make a video, deep dive video about it, and AT&T, but more Verizon, because I like Verizon. I'm a Verizon user. I have their products, so let's see if the stocks can give us some juicy dividend. Because this dividend is a little bit too high, guys. I need to find out why. This is not looking too secure for me. Let's look at this S&P 500. We up a little bit today. And see, most of the stocks that I like to show are stocks that I'm going to buy in the future, or stocks or ETFs that I own. Like on this one, my average was 365. I wish I could buy more, but you know, guys, I have a job just like you guys do. I get paid every 2 weeks, so sometimes I can't just, you know, drop my check on stocks and stuff like that. But like I say, every time you get paid, just invest a little bit at a time. $20-$30, you know, every time, slowly. You know, do your challenge, save your money. This money can help you in so many ways, guys. This could be your retirement money. This could be a money that you want to save and invest, and safely, of course, invest. No risky, you know, just stocks that are very safe, that are pay dividend. Most stocks that pay dividends are safe stocks. At least, you know, the growth is not super crazy, but they do guarantee you your dividend, you know, and that's what you want, so you can reinvest that, bring your average down, and grow the account without having to worry about that you need to put more money. You know, a good 20, if you could put a good $20,000-$30,000 on your secure account where you want to have like only dividends. After you put that 20 or 30,000 there, you might don't even have to keep adding no more money to that account. You can just let that account, use the dividends and keep rebuying all the stocks, and you can have another account where you can play a little bit, and you can, focus on that account and grow it a little bit, so you can have a little bit of play money, where you could buy, growth stocks and some calls or put options. That's what I'm thinking. It's my plan for the future. I'm gonna share with you guys. We're gonna do it together. Either I win or I fail, but we're gonna share the journey on YouTube, so you guys can learn from my mistakes and from my gains and experiences. Yeah, let's check Apple. How's Apple doing today? Apple is even for the day. For the week, it's up like 5%. Let's look at the month. The month is down like 3%, guys. It's looking like between 130 and 140. That's Apple's floor. Look, 147. This is the lowest we got. 131. So 147. For me, it's still a buy. I will buy below 150. I told you guys I have it right here. I own my Apple over here. Not much. Like I say, this is a only dividend account, so this one I'm gonna grow, but a little slowly. I know it's bad that I have so many accounts and I'm trying to feed money into all of them, but once they start growing in there to a certain levels, I'm just gonna focus on like one or two accounts, and I'm gonna really go heavy on them. But I have Apple, which is one of my favorite companies. Microsoft, of course. I grew up using Microsoft. Then I got introduced to Apple. I couldn't afford Apple products. Walmart. I go to Walmart a lot. Especially if you have like kids, you go to Walmart a lot, guys. And the NASDAQ. So we can have a lot of companies only on one ETF. And I don't have to be, owning 10, 20 different companies over here. I could just own 3 of my main companies, my main stocks. These are stocks that I'm buying from these companies. This is a whole ETF, which it comes with a bunch of companies. I'm so happy, excited. And they pay also dividend, guys. Yeah, guys, let's look at crypto. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing today. Bitcoin is looking like it found its floors at 19,000. Let me see. Let me look at it over here in Coin Market Cap. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking like it found its floor at $19,000. Ethereum is still hovering at the 1300s. Ethereum is looking really good to buy. I mean, from what they were before, guys, we're looking at 3x, 4x for both, in the long term, of course. This is not financial advice. Like I say, guys, I'm just saying what I'm gonna do. At 19,000 and 1300, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they look very good, guys. Very good. And, we're waiting for XRP to win their lawsuit. I think I have, I don't know if I have Cardano and Gemini and Matic. And, Polygon Matic. think I'm staking then for a little bit of interest. I just opened the account like a long time ago, but I never really put any money in it. Let's see. Yeah, you see, I don't have too much. I own, let me see. Let me look at my portfolio. Yeah, I got Polygon, Solana. I don't have no Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash. I used to have them, but I took out the money when all of that was happening with all the crypto companies. And then, you know, I saw that everything went back to normal. There's no bankruptcies going on or anything. And now basically I'm just got Polygon and Solana. In the future, like I said, I'm gonna buy some Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash. I like those two. And like I said, slowly we grow our portfolio slowly, guys. I like to look at a Webull. Over here I own one Bank of America, one Intel, and one Palantir shares, guys. So I'm a little biased. I like those companies. I'm not gonna talk about them. Not today. See the BTI, the Starbucks. I heard Starbucks was struggling a little bit, but Starbucks is not going nowhere. It's like everybody else. They being hurt right now by the stock market. But yeah, guys, thank you for coming. And you guys have a great day. Make sure you invest. Do your side hustles. You know, save your money. Let's do this together, guys. We're gonna invest together. You guys have a good day. Enjoy. Like and subscribe.